Today for the Bitcoin price. Wow guys, look at this. Bitcoin is right now breaking out of this annoying 873-day downwards trend line which held us down the whole bear market. Is this the beginning of the bull market 2020, as we mentioned it previously in today's video here in this video, where we said that the bull market 2020 starts today? Or is that another gigantic bull trap and we will find lower prices? Well guys, today we want to talk with you about specific price targets right here and right here for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. And guys, look at this. Billionaire investor and hedge fund manager just 1 hour ago at the time of the pump announced that he is buying Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Guys, if you go over here to the Wikipedia article of him, you can see on the right hand side that his net worth is 5.1 billion US dollars, not even talking about the hedge fund he is managing. We will share everything with you, so make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button right now to at least 3,000 likes. And that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, especially today, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And guys, look at this. Right now I'm here on the 3-day candles and you can just see how this massive green candle here just spikes over this epic downtrend here we have seen here all the way back here starting in December 2017 at 20,000 US dollars. And you can basically see that we had multiple touch points here. Of course, the first one, then we had another one here at the blow off top at $14,000, another one here at the fake out approximately here around the 13,000 US dollar levels. And then of course here we had the one before this very infamous crisis, this coronavirus financial crisis triggered kind of dump here of Bitcoin here down to 3,800 US dollars. And this attempt here, guys, believe it or not, directly 3 or 4 days before the halving right now seems to be finally the successful one. However guys, we have to eye here a few very important things, because if we look back here at the 14,000 US dollar pump, we were already very close here to surpass it. Of course, this one was only here setting the structure for it, but as you can see, also the one afterwards spiked a little bit above, and then we had another fake out here to the downside. So we do want to see, and let me here go in fact to the daily candles. The daily and the weekly candles will be crucial here to observe. Not only the daily here, which ends very soon, but also the weekly here, which will end on Sunday. And as you know, Friday will be the most important day to observe here, since the weekend price action is not all too significant. And right now you can see we are just trading above. And guys, our price target of 10,500 US dollars is more important than ever to watch. You remember we had this bump and dump reversal pattern here we covered in all of our last videos. Make sure you check it out. And the target of this is still 10,500 US dollars. This is still the level we are looking out for right now, and this will still be the level we will show you our trade and what exactly we are planning to do right now, where we will be taking our first profits. But guys, we are not going out of this trade completely once we reach 10,500 US dollars, because there are more price targets to look out for. First of all, let me go here into the lower time frames before we look what price targets are we actually looking out for after the 10,300 US dollars. And if we are pulling out here this symmetrical triangle, you remember we covered it before here in our today's video, then this is not perfectly drawn guys, but we don't have so much time. You can see it's dark AF, and I actually also have neighbors. I do not want to wake anyone up here, so this is really an emergency episode. You can see that we are right now perfectly here approaching our measured move target. It's not perfectly drawn, it was actually 10,200 US dollars, so it is likely, it is at least likely that we are getting it. Because the question is this pump significant? And for this we are of course pulling out here the volume chart, and you can see that the volume is still kind of underwhelming. I mean, we had a lot of volume within the last 2 hours, but since this is here right now approaching the end of the day, I can tell you we would have loved to see a higher volume candle here approximately breaking this downward sloping trend line here for the volume. So actually it would have been nice to see this one, but we still have tomorrow, we still have Friday to set in this significant volume candle, showing us that this breakout is significant, that this breakout has strength, and that this breakout is unlikely to break back down here on the weekly candles, guys. This will be very important to observe. And guys, I can tell you something here on a very, very bullish closing note before we show you one last data point here. If we are zooming out here into this time frame and we are looking at the VPVR, then you can basically see with this pump we actually are having right now, Bitcoin has surpassed here this cluster of resistance and is right now approaching the last big cluster of resistance before we only have thin air above us and we can be actually off to the races. And this one here is approximately ending at the $10,400 level, which is, guys, big surprise, also in perfect alignment with our target here of the bump and run reversal pattern. And one last thing, guys, look at this. Let me pull out the Fibonacci retracement level here from the swing high to the swing low, and look at this. I mean, you cannot make this up, guys. This one here is perfectly, the golden pocket here is perfectly coinciding with the last cluster of resistance here. So if Bitcoin goes into the golden pocket and surpasses the golden pocket and significantly stays above, confirms this breakout, guys, then we can target the next price level, which will be here $11,700, $11,800, which, and now guys, sit down, which perfectly coincides with the last gap Bitcoin has to fill on the CME charts. We are no gap believers, but this narrative is actually perfect right now. So I want to know from you guys, do you think we can knock out $10,500 until the halving, which is coming up in 3 or 4 days? Let us know in the poll, which is popping up on top of the screen right now, and let us know, can we knock this price level out until the halving, guys? That would be very interesting to say. And guys, we can really pop the champagne bottles here right now, because as you can see, we are right now approaching $9,900. I mean, wow, this is every moon boy's daydream here, actually nighttime dream. It's actually amazing to see. And guys, as promised, of course, here this breaking news here from Paul Tudor Jones, the billionaire investor and hedge fund manager. Look at this. Bloomberg reported Paul Tudor Jones buys Bitcoin as a hedge against the inflation. Paul Tudor Jones reportedly buys Bitcoin as an inflation hedge. Guys, this is crazy. This is the smart money, and he is going out. Most of the smart money people, they are not going out and announcing their decisions. He is doing it, and this is, as we can already see it, very beneficial for Bitcoin. Also, Forbes talked about that, and guys, this is actually crazy. Look at this. He said that Paul Tudor Jones said that he buys Bitcoin, and he says it reminds him of gold in the 70s, guys. This is big because he has a lot of millionaires, billionaires, high net worth individuals and high net worth individuals following his advice, because he also has a very big hedge fund, guys. And of course, it's not the only reason for the pump here, but it for sure creates more buying pressure in the short run, and it for sure also puts a little bit more gunpowder here behind the pump we are seeing right now. And I also wanted to show you how we are ruling the situation, how we are playing the situation right now. First of all, if you haven't watched our previous videos, go to our channel here down, click on MMCrypto and watch the videos. We actually made very important videos here with DaVinci J15, another one yesterday, where we talked about the Google ban, and also we talked about shocking data here, and that the bull run has already started right now. Actually, we said the bull run has started today, as you can see it right here. And guys, as you can see it, it really seems like the bull run has started. I'm not saying here we have perfectly called this, but yeah, this one was actually very, very well timed. And we got also very nice feedback from you guys in the comment section. By the way, thank you for all your comments. So this is our trade we are in right now, guys. As you can remember, we were waiting here for the breakout, and then we were waiting for Bitcoin to go down and confirm the breakout here at the $9,050 level. And as you can see, this was here our entry point. If we are going back, you can actually see if we are pulling this out and going here on the 4-hourly candles, that Bitcoin with this breakout, and as I already told you, this is not perfectly drawn, we actually touched this perfectly and confirmed the breakout, was perfectly giving us this amazing entry signal right here, and you can see what happened to Bitcoin afterwards. So we are still in the trade. This trade is approximately at 80% right now, and we already told you when we are taking the first profits, and we already told you where we are taking the second profits. And just to show you that we have no other orders and we are not hiding any non-profitable orders, all of our trades here so far, very important to mention, so far were profitable on Phemex. The first one we started a few like 2 weeks ago or so, approximately on the 29th of March, was 0.9 Bitcoin, then we had 0.01 Bitcoin and 1.6 Bitcoin here in profit. So far all were profitable. Of course we will show you if one of our trades will not be profitable, but yeah, this is it guys, and and we will keep you updated guys. You know all our price targets, where we are about to take profits, and also let us know in the comment section down below if you took one of these trades here recently with us. That would be a big joy for us, because of course it's always nice to see if people are making profits. So let us know in the comment section down below. Make sure you smash up the like button, and also if you want to support us, in the pinned comment as always you get up to $1,702 for free for 0.2 or 0.5 Bitcoin deposit on Bybit or Phemex. You can get up to these amounts for free by clicking these specific links here and making your account. It takes not a lot of time, like 24 seconds or so, and you can get this free margin for your trading for free. So let us know in the comment section down below, will this breakout be successful? Let's hope so, because guys, this is historic times right now. We are really writing historic times. The halving is coming up and we are about to finally break this annoying trend line, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other at the next one of MMCrypto, already today or tomorrow, depends on when you are watching. And as always guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and click the Bybit tutorial right there if you haven't watched it already. And as always guys, as always, bye bye.